Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, Nageshwari, Monica. Good afternoon. Rani, good afternoon. Okay, let's get started now. So, this is the website that we were creating. This is your homepage. This is the homepage that we created. Okay, like this, about us section. These are all called as sections. Okay, first, always on the top of the website, we put a banner. Okay, and then we have to build different sections. Basically, your home page is just a snapshot of your whole website. That means what all things are there inside your website that is shown on the home page, right? So uh, first of all, this about your website or about this BBIC. Okay, then we have small about us section. What do we do? Okay, then we have recent blogs section. Okay, recent blogs section. So recent blogs we have, as we did it yesterday, we have put in two blogs. Okay, these are the titles of each blog, and is under the sports category, and this is from the category of politics. Okay, so we have inserted it like this. So now we are going to design you may have missed section. So let's get started. So let's go and dive into backend. So bbIC.infinityfree.com/wp admin. So this is your backend login page. So just insert your username and password and simply click on log in, and you will land onto your dashboard. So here you are on your dashboard, right? Now from here, what do we need to design? We design a small part of our home page, right? This is our home page and we want to design this part. So let's get started and see. Go to pages, and from pages go to all pages. From all pages, because we are designing and we want to design a section of home page 1, so just click on here, edit with Elementor. All right, so here we are, and let's go down here. You may have missed. So let me open that website, the reference website, according to which we were designing our own website. Okay, so this is the website, and this section we have already designed. Now the next section is you may have missed. Okay, so these are the uh, things. So let's see what we have to insert. So first of all, take this plus button and then flex box, and then you have to choose the, you can choose the two boxes or boxes so that we can increase it later on. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, now from the left hand side we can choose the uh, just click on this edit container, and then we have to decrease the width. Okay, decrease the width like this. Okay. All right. Now in we have made these three boxes, but we need only one row, right? So you can here you can see on the left hand side now uh, uh, columns and rows have appeared. Okay? Columns and rows. So how many columns do you need? Columns means like this. One column, two column, three column. And rows means these. One row, two row. Okay. So I need only one row. Okay. And I need four columns. So four columns. Okay. So like this. Okay. Lakshman, please mute yourself better. All right. So here we are, and let's insert the blog that we want to put over here. Okay. So just a minute. Let me check this out. Or let me remove it from here and just put it like this. Take it like this. Take it like this. Okay. And now I want to just click on this plus button and take this grid layout. Okay. Grid layout, or let's take hover grid out. You can choose this type also. Okay. Or you can choose layout like this also. Okay. Like this. Or you may choose like this. In the backend, there is an image, and on the front you have the text. So you can choose any of the layouts. Okay. And if you don't want to choose that, then no problem. Then you can choose the list section like this. Okay. So like this, or maybe like this. So I'm taking the grid hover over like this. Okay. So here is the title. Okay. And here is the this thing. So we can edit it. First of all, let me see which one fits better. I think this one fits better. So let's take this one. And then we have some settings. Okay. So we can choose this columns. Columns from the layout. You need, how many columns do you need? I need four columns, suppose. Okay. So this it will make space again for next two columns. So here will be the space. When you write two more blogs, then it will appear over here. For your demo purpose, I'll show you how to insert two more blogs. Okay. Now vertical alignment. Vertical alignment. Do you want to start the topic or this thing from start? Okay. Or from the center or from the bottom or spaced around. So it is up to you, or you can keep it like default, like this. I have kept it like this. Text alignment, you can keep it in the center, or this will be in the center, or you can keep it left aligned. So the text will start from the left. Okay. Even the headings will start from the left. So if you want to keep it in the center, you can keep it in the center like this. Now, primary text color, obviously, let's keep it white only and don't touch it because we don't want to change the colors. Query build. Now, query build means that uh, include only. Now, if you remember that I left these options in the previous session for the reason because I wanted to insert it over here. Okay. Now here, the thing is that what do you want to include? Here it will be post numbers, post IDs. So how to find the post IDs? Post IDs will be are displayed at the bottom of the post. Let me tell you how. So for example, let's go to certain post. Open a certain post like this one. And once you open this post, there will be this thing, this this ID. Okay, this is the ID that you can use over here. This is the post ID. So you can copy it and write it over here. Post ID, you can take it like 2025/12/15. See, settings, content, then query build, then posts, or let me write it 12. Just a minute. Let me check the post ID. Let me check the post ID. Let me see. Inspect. Just a minute. Let me see what is happening. Just telling you, just a minute. Let me check. So let me see. Let me find out the post ID. Just give me a second. I'm saving it for a while. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me go to posts, all posts, and okay. All right. So see here, post ID is always given at the bottom, and when you hover over this title like this, you will find the post ID over here at the bottom. See, it is written like, when you hover over, you can find at the bottom that there is a, here there you will find a link. Okay, just check out this link, and in this link it says http bbIC.infinityfreeapp.com /wp-admin /post.php, and post is equal to 99 and action. So that means the post ID is 99. Okay, and here if you hover over this, then the post ID is 91. Post is equal to 91, it is written. So this is post ID 91 and 99. So let's go back now to our editing mode, and again let's go to the pages and home page, all pages, and turn to the home page and edit with Elementor. Okay, now here we are back again, and let's, here we are. Okay, I want to show which post do I want to show. That will totally depend on me. So let's edit it. Here we are on the editing mode. Just click somewhere here and you will get this side window. Okay, and just go down, and here you will find, just scroll down little bit, scroll down little bit, and here you will find these things like query build. So just click on query build, and here post sources post. All right, you can drop down what do you want to show here. Do you want to show post or do you want to show pages? I want to show post here, so just click on post, and now here it is include only. Include only means, see here it is written, enter the post ID separated by the commas for including different posts. So suppose I want to include only post number 99. Which one? Which is first one. So if I want to include only this one, then this post will automatically get vanished. And specifically, if I want to include only, if I want to specifically exclude the other post, that is the post name, post ID number 91. So it will be excluded. Even if I don't write it, then also it will be included. Okay. And if I want to include both the post nine, because we have created only two posts, 91 and 99. So if I also want to include 91, then it will look like this. Okay. 91, 99. Got it? So it will look like this. Both the posts will come here. You don't need to worry. But here you have to include only the post IDs. Okay, post IDs usually you get when you click on this individual post. The concerned link will appear at the bottom. But if you can't see it, then you can always go to the edit section, and then from there you can find the post ID. Okay, so okay, then now everything is fine. Now if you want to order it by date, then you can order it by date. DESC indicates descending order, and ASC indicates ascending order. So you want, whether you want to show it in ascending order, these posts. Ascending order means the post that was first created will appear first, and the post that was created later on or latest post will appear later, after. Okay, but if you want that first post should be the latest one, then you always have to choose descending order. DESC indicates descending order. That's it. Then pagination, show pagination. So if you have many pages, if you have your posts in many pages, then you can always choose pagination, or you can show pagination. Because as of now, we have only two posts, so there is no need of pagination. You can still keep it open. And then link target should be new window. That means if you click on read more, then it should open in a new window. For example, if I click on this read more, then it should always open in a new window. Because I haven't saved it as of now, so that is why I am unable to click on it. Okay, this is done. Now there are few more settings. If you want to set these settings, you can always set them. Although we have already set them before in the previous class. Okay, style, you don't need to make many changes in the style. So just typography, I want to reduce the typography basically. Okay, title, color, typography. Let's see what is there in typography. So under typography, let me decrease the size or change the font. Maybe Poppins is a very popular font, so let's choose this one. Okay, so we have changed the font to Poppins. And if you want to change the title color, maybe to red or maybe to some other color, then you can always do that. So title color means this color. Okay, but for now we are keeping it only white. Okay, dots or bar, you don't need to make changes in each and every uh, uh, options that are given. All right. Okay, rest I think we have already done yesterday. Card gap, now this one we did not do. Card gap means the gap between these two cards. These boxes are called as cards. Okay, so how much distance do you want to keep in between the two? That is called as card gap. From top, bottom, left, right, so what distance do you want to keep? That is card size. But as of now, this is a default size, default distance between the two cards, and it is looking fine. Okay, so enable bottom margin. If you want to enable it, you can put a bottom margin, otherwise you can leave it, disable it. Okay, now everything looks fine. If you are satisfied with the changes, then you can always publish it. Okay, so as of now, nothing is appearing over here in this section. So let's just refresh it and see whether the changes have been assembled in this or not. So here we are. Okay, now if you just click on this, you will this log will open in a new window like this. Okay, like this. I hope it is clear to you. So let's move on and let me check if we designed the about us page. Yes, we have already designed. So now almost all the pages are well designed, okay, and well animated. For example, this the whole page now we have designed, okay, like this. Then about us page is also designed. Designing is totally based on your creativity. How creative you are, uh, accordingly you can design the page, okay. Then we have category. Category: politics, sports, entertainment, religious, etc. And then we have contact us. Contact Under contact us page, we made a form. So I told you how to design a page. Okay, so like this. Okay, now one more thing we haven't done up till now is how to design or how to insert the Facebook, these links. Okay, these, if anybody clicks on it, then where should they land? For example, I have this demo page, so it has been linked to my demo page, okay, by default. But I'll tell you how to design it, I mean how to insert it. So let's go to the edit mode again, and let's go click on this Facebook. Okay, and find out, let me see. Okay, and what about this one? Okay, so Telegram will load because I'm not on Telegram. So, and Instagram, so this will open like this. Instagram, okay, like this. Actually it has automatically picked up my details, and it has inserted the Facebook and Instagram logo and links into it. I did not do anything. Similarly, this YouTube, and this is the mode, okay, dark mode and lighter mode. If you want, some people want to access on the darker mode, they want to see all the things on the darker mode, so everything will appear to you on a darker mode. And if you want to see it on the lighter mode, then you can always view it on the lighter mode. For example, let me show you the home page. So currently it is looking like this. So if you turn it back to darker mode, then it will look like something like this. Okay. So which means that your text, the text that you have written in black will not be apparent. Got it? And here is the search button. Search button means that you can search anything. Like I want to search politics. Okay, so enter, and politics, anything related to politics will appear over here. Okay, India entered optimistic about this is this Trump, and it will appear over here. I hope it is clear to you. So you can always type in here. Then we have a subscribe button. Anybody who wants to subscribe, they can subscribe to this button. But let me tell you from where to change these settings. Okay, so let's go back to the edit mode. So here we are on the edit mode, and we have social icons. Okay, if I want to insert social icons at some specific place, for example, I want to put the social icons over here, suppose. So just click on this and this. Maybe like this. Okay, so now I want to insert social icons. So search for social icons. Okay, and drag it over here. So now you will find social icons, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you think that Instagram is missing, then we can always create it. Let me tell you how. So first of all, go to the left hand side. Okay, first is Facebook. Click on it. The icon is already there. If you think you want to use some other icon of Facebook, then you can always choose from icon library. And if you want to find out if you want to upload the icon, so where will you find the icons? Let me tell you one website where you can find the icons, and that website is flat icon flaticons.com. Okay, so here there are n number of icons, and whatever icons you want, you can find them right here. Just search for it, and you can find the stickers, you can find the animated icons, you can find the interface icons. So I want to find the icon for Facebook. Okay, Facebook. So let's find it. So here we are. There are different types of Facebook icons, maybe in blue, if you like, or if this blue icon is going with your website, then you can, the color is matching, then you can go with this here. Okay, or if you think that blue is not looking that good, then you can always choose black, maybe in round or maybe in square. Okay, like this. So whichever you feel, or if you want only F without any box, without any square shape or round shape, then also you can choose F. If you want to choose messenger also, then you can always choose the messenger and just download it. So here is the download button, and you can, if you just click it, you can simply download it. Got it? This is how, and these are number of icons for Facebook. Got it? And next, because we already have, that is why I am not downloading it. So if you want to download, if you have downloaded it and you want to insert it over here, just click on upload SVG, and then you can insert it. Or maybe you can go to icon library, and here also you can find the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all other kind of logos. So simply just click on it and insert it, and it will be inserted. Okay, now second thing is link. So what do you mean by link? Link means your Facebook account link. For example, let me open my Facebook account, not the personal account, but it is just a demo. I have just created this just for teaching purpose. So let me, this is a demo account, and let me click on this, and this is my ID. Okay, suppose, and you can just simply copy it, and just a minute, Control C, copy, and here I am going to paste it, Control V. So now my Facebook account has been linked here. Okay, if anybody clicks on this icon, they will land onto my Facebook page. Now done. Color, if you want official color, which is blue, then that's fine. If you want some customized color, then also you can choose that color. Suppose I want to choose a black color. Okay, I want black color for Facebook. So now see, it has turned into black color, whatever. uh, and if you want to if you think that no, the previous one was looking fine, then you can always revert it back. Now second is, this is done. And now second one is Twitter. I don't have Twitter account. Suppose I don't have a Twitter account, but I have Instagram account, right? So I want to put Instagram over here. So just click over here. Then instead of Twitter, just you just you can simply uh, copy it first of all, and then you can uh, just a minute, you can remove it, because if we don't have Twitter account, so you can simply remove it. Okay, and you can add a new item. New item means that uh, i have uh, I have Instagram account. So from this, select Instagram. So Instagram is here. So just click on it and upload, insert. So Instagram will be automatically, it will take Instagram. Okay, as the moment you share or upload this logo, it will automatically detect what this logo is, uh, of what, which platform or which social media icon is it. So this logo is of Instagram, right? Then link. Again, we are going to back to our Instagram link. Okay, so let's copy this link also. So this is a link. All right, so let's copy this link also. Control C, and then we have here the link. Control V, paste this link over here. Okay, again, official color. You think that black color is not looking that good, so I want to change the color. So just customize the color. Primary color, what is the primary color? Let's turn to something like pink, right? So here we are on the pinker side, like this. Just look and find the exact color what you want, somewhat like this. Okay, and secondary color may be blue, like this. Okay, or maybe yellow or orange. Just try out these colors, and it is not looking fine. Okay, okay, we have chosen this color, suppose. Okay, if you think you have lost something, so again click on back on this container, and you will get back to it. Okay, so now you want to if you want to rearrange them, that means first of all Facebook should appear, then Instagram should appear, and thereafter YouTube link should appear. Then you can always rearrange them. Okay, like this. Drag them up or down, like this, like this. Okay, so first of all Facebook, then Instagram, and then YouTube. Okay, then shapes. What shape do you want? One more thing, if I want to add the logo of LinkedIn also, so let's find out LinkedIn. If we can find LinkedIn, yes, here it is, LinkedIn, and then insert it. Okay. Again, you can always find out the LinkedIn icon. Let me do it for you. LinkedIn. Meanwhile, it is loading. Let it load automatically. Okay. So if I want to insert my link, so I'll just copy this link. Suppose just copy this link, and then we'll go back here and just paste it. Got it? And you have got the LinkedIn icon also. Color, let's keep it official color only. Now things are done. And now the shape. So shape, which shape do you want? Do you want square shape, round shape, circle? What kind of shape do you want? You can try them out, try experimenting them, and find out which shape is looking better. Okay. Rounded shape is like this, and square shape will be something like this. Okay. I think circle is looking much better. So let's keep it like this. Columns, how many columns do you want? You want 4 columns, or you can keep it default, automatic, and this is center. Done. Everything is done. Now coming to styles, size of these icons. So first of all, if you think that the size of these icons is looking very, very small, then you can always increase the size. Okay, like this. Whatever extent you want, you can always extend the size. Then padding, let's keep it as it is. Spacing. Now, if you want more spacing between the icons, you can always increase the spacing. Currently, it is 5, but you can always increase the spacing like this. Row gap, because we have only one row, so there does not appears to be anything logical to increase the row gap. Okay. Border type, leave it. Icon, hover over. So let's put an animation on hover over. That means if anybody hover overs your icon, how will it react? So for example, pulse. If I choose pulse, then it will pop up like this, like this. Okay, like this. Then if I choose something else like push, so it will behave like this. Okay, usually you must have seen these kind of icons. Then bounce. If you choose bounce, then it will start bouncing like this. So these are the animation effects that you can put into it. All right. So skewed forward. So it will skew forward like this. If you want to be more creative, if you want to do something different, you can always choose different kind of animations. Okay, like this. But usually what we put is this one. Uh, Either we choose pulse. Okay, pulse like this. So this is about the animation effect and the social media icons that you can put. So let me do one more last thing, is that okay, so I want to put it in the center, right? So here from from the layout, I have in the justified content, I have clicked on center. So these content will be dragged from left to the center. Okay, I think now it is looking fine. And if you think that it should appear on the right hand side, then you can always choose end. So it will go to the right hand corner. So it is totally up to you, spaced between. So you can try out other options as well, right? But according to me, center should be the right one. Align items. Items should be aligned in the center. That's it. Now everything looks fine. So just publish it. Okay. Let's check out the result. Let's check out the result. So let's refresh the page and let's go back to the home page. Okay. Now where did we do? Here. So here we have, it is giving us pulse effect like this. Okay. Suppose I want to, now from the top, I am just closing my LinkedIn account. Okay. Now I want to test whether my LinkedIn, the link that I have inserted, or whether anybody who clicks on my LinkedIn account, will they land onto my LinkedIn page or not. Okay. Let's try this out and test it. So yes, this link is perfectly working. And if anybody clicks on it, they will land onto my LinkedIn page. Let's try Facebook also. Uh, Now there is no Facebook link on the top, if you can see. So just click on the Facebook. Yes, Facebook is also working perfectly fine. Okay. So like this, everything will work. Don't need to worry at all. Okay. And about this, these are auto generated. That means once you create your website, and if the website is created with the same email ID with which your Facebook and Instagram accounts are created, then it will automatically pick up. Okay. So like this you have to do. Rest I'll tell you where, from where you can still make changes in these. Okay. In the next class we'll be talking about the this thing, footer, how to create a footer, and how to make changes in the Facebook, Instagram, and X accounts. Okay. I hope this session was fine. You found this session interesting. Did you learn something? Did you learn something useful in this session? Good. Okay, Monica. Okay, Rajesh, Monica. Okay, okay. So that is it for today. Thank you so much. And uh, we'll in the tomorrow's class we are going to do the footer menu. How to create, how to design this footer menu. All right. And I also want you to start creating this website. If you get stuck anywhere, you can always watch the video again, or you can always ask me during the class. I'll be ready to help you. I'll be happy to help you. All right. Thank you. See you tomorrow.